Okay, by now you should have completed your free estate plan, your free last will and testament. So a last will and testament designates where your estate goes after you're gone, but let's talk about what a will won't do. A will not avoid probate. Probate is a legal process to change title of an asset out of the name of the deceased. So a will says where your stuff goes, but before the guardians or your beneficiaries can receive those assets, they'll have to go to court. The personal representative will have to be appointed and follow all the steps of the probate court, wait for the creditor waiting period, and eventually they'll be able to settle your estate. So why did you do a will? You did a will to make sure that your loved ones can inherit from you and to designate who's going to be in charge. Now, to avoid probate, it's very easy to do. The easiest way to do it is by creating a revocable trust. A revocable trust is a legal document that a person creates during their life. They transfer the assets to the trust and they continue to manage them for themselves during their life. But after the person passes away, the trust designates who's going to manage the trust as the trustee, who the beneficiaries are, and when they'll receive it. So by having a revocable trust, that avoids the probate process as well as the need for a conservator for minor children. So if you name your minor children as beneficiaries in your will, if they're under 18, they're not allowed to open bank accounts or manage things themselves. So someone would have to be appointed through the court as the conservator. So the will says who you want to be in charge, but it doesn't actually give them any power. They have to go through probate or a conservatorship to be appointed by the court to get the power. So the next step to protect your loved ones is by creating a revocable trust or looking for ways to avoid probate. If you're interested, schedule a time for a free personal family legal session and we can discuss the next steps for your family.